Rock fishing at Daraotic Island in Pasacao, Camarines Sur, Bicol, Philippines. On Sunday, January 5, 2020, we were able to launch our first ever rack fishing of the year. The low tide was apparent, but we waited for the high tide to come, but it came around 2 in the afternoon.
This is the Roarak Pasacao, where you can combine family outing and fishing here at Camarines Sur, Bicol, Philippines. We are here at the other side of the Roarak. As you can see, there's a rock formation that is very special. Iron oxide effect. Look at the
So from Daraotic Island, we experienced difficulties in casting our lines because of the coral formation. Although it's windy, fish still abounds on the rocks. So we found rock fishes like pugapo and other local fishes, colored fishes, and a lot more. As for me, I was able to swim and recover my line because it got stuck on a coral reef. Come 12 high noon, we went back to the shore and had our meals together with the family of our founder, Fel Francisco, who were also there for family outing. And after lunch, we changed location at the former Villa Merced near the port of Pasacao. The resort was abandoned due to its proximity on the operation area of the port. So there we also got rock fishes like pugapo until the rain poured and the high tide came. Lessons learned: in every shallow water there are only small fishes, but in deep waters you can choose what you want to catch. Big ones or huge fishes that still abound on the sea. BAAC Fishing Vlogs 2020. Fish on, tight line, Alachammers.